We're here doing a video of this nice 3039R, and somebody did want to see it in road gear, so we'll just show some basic functions. Going to do the 3-point back, one up and down. Quick eye match hitch is included. I'll show the PTO back here engaging. There it goes on. Alright. And it's got a set of remotes on back. I'm not sure what this is. Anybody who knows, let me know. But I can ask our service guys. Going at slow speed there. Okay, and our technician here is going to take off and showing the power steering. Okay, somebody wanted to see it in road gear, so we got a road in front of the shop here, so he's going to go down the road and you're in C? Yeah, okay. C, yep. Woo! There he goes. Look pretty fast there, so there you go. We'll see if he comes back. I guess let's wait till he comes back. Here he comes. He's going to get a ticket. All right, thank you. Give us a call, Tractor Town.